Welcome to the SASUnit channel. My name is Klaus Landwich, and today I want to show you how SASUnit can be used interactively in SAS Enterprise Guide. As you can see, here is an Autoexec process flow that runs automatically when you open your Enterprise Guide project. And to tell SASUnit or Enterprise Guide in the SAS session where to find SASUnit and my project, I need to specify init SASUnit, as you know from all other situations where you use it as a batch script. And it's a reduced set of parameters that is necessary here. And that's what you need to do. And you need to run that one so that the path to all the SASUnit macros are set and SAS knows where to find all our SASUnit macros. And I will show you a small code kata to show you how fast you can develop your test suites. And as a kata, I use the conversion from Roman numerals to Arabic numbers. Here I have a macro. I already prepared some statements because I don't want to show you that I can program. I will show you how fast you can be with SASUnit in Enterprise Guide. And here I have my test calls. It's all done with asserts, and the first assert is if I have a capital letter I expect it is transformed to 1. Sorry. So when I run that one, then I have some report here if the scenario ends. Here is a quick report, and you can obviously see that there is an error. It's highlighted in red. Obviously, because we expect a 1 and our program returns a 0 here. So to make that one a green one, I simply replace all capital letters by the characters plus and 1. And with the %sysfunc call, that is evaluated and calculated an integer, which will be 1. So I simply compiled this macro and I will rerun my test. And you should now see that this one is a green one. Here is a green OK. The actual and the expected results are equal. And therefore I can now take my second assert. 2 capital I's should be 2. That's quite an easy one and should always be already be implemented, as the third one is also already covered by the implementation. And for the next one, I need to change my macro. So when I start 4, there should be an error. There's a real error because what is given back is a +1 and a V, and that's no numeric expression. And to cope with these subtractions in the Roman numerals, I use the fact that there are distinct combinations that represent a subtraction. It's important that you first catch the subtraction and then convert the rest. So that's what I missed here. And now it should be a green one, as expected. Obviously, it is. And that's what I want to show you today. We can only for completeness use the last one here. I want to show you how fast you can get to your test suites with the interactive approach here. It does not cover the full functionality. So you don't get the whole documentation, you don't have the test coverage, but you have quite simply and quite fast your test suite. And now you can use a call to the batch location with the test suite you developed here, and can start the whole functionality with the batch call of SASUnit. And you have all what you need, the test documentation, the program documentation, the test coverage, the statement coverage, what we implemented. And now you can get a coffee or go for the lunch. And that's what we tried to improve the work with SASUnit, that you get your test suites faster and a more interactive way to support test-driven design or test-driven development. So the batch run has completed, and now I can show you the documentation that was created. As you are used to, you have the main page, your test scenarios, your units under test, and the test coverage. And that's all created automatically via the batch run. And you need less time to get your test scenarios implemented. So I hope you enjoyed the feature that I presented here, the interactive use of SASUnit to speed up your implementation process. And afterwards, you can use the full functionality of a SASUnit batch run. That will take some time because there's a lot of things to do. Hope you enjoyed, and see you next time on SASUnit channel. Bye-bye.